Good morning, children. Very happy to see you again. Let us start the today's session. Date is 26/9/2020. Day is Saturday, and today's subject is science. Let us start the science lesson 2, kinds of plants. Lesson 2 is kinds of plants. We have seen many types of plants around us, correct? Some may grow taller, some may short. Some plants we will get vegetables, some plants will get fruits, some may will get rice, wheat, correct? Some big plants will use for shelter, some will grow very taller, correct? There are different types of plants around us, correct? We will see those plants and how they classified. Okay, let us see different types of plants. First one are trees. Okay, trees. We will see many trees around us, correct? How we will differentiate those things as a trees? We will see how to differentiate. See, the big and tall plants are called trees. Not a small plant like tulsi we can't call as a tree. It is a plant, correct? So, we'll see some characteristic of trees. The big and tall plants are called trees. Okay. They have a broad and strong stems. Okay, the stem will be very strong and broad. Okay, size also it's very broad and it is very strong. It has a very strong stems. These stems, the strong stems are called trunk. 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 The stems of a tree is called trunk. Tree stand straight and grow to tall heights. Okay, I said trees will grow taller. Okay, the trees will grow taller and stems are very strong and straight. Okay, I will show you a few examples here. People tree, I think you might have observed this people tree around you. Okay, people, banyan tree, coconut tree. There are many trees. You see, you can observe how big the stem is, how strong it is, and it is straight also. It has many branches also. You can observe that, and it grows very much taller and very strong. These we will call as a trees. Okay. Next is shrubs. Even these also we can observe our surroundings. Small bushy plants are called shrubs. Shrubs will not grow so much taller. Okay. This will spread around. These shrubs will spread around. They have a hard stem with many branches. Even this shrubs also have a strong stems with the many branches, and they will not live for long years. Okay, the long time they live for few years. Okay, not for the long time. Okay, they will live for few years. I think you have seen this jasmine plant, rose plant, cotton, and some other plants. Rose plants you can observe, see how the branches are spreading. Okay, spreaded. See, these are bushy, like means the spreading over. Okay, bushy plants with many branches. You can observe the rose plant, even a jasmine, but it will not grow very much taller. It will spread, the branches will spread over. These we will call the shrubs. Okay, next, herbs. Herbs like a very small non-bushy plants. This will not spread. Okay, like a shrubs, it will not spread. Very small plants, non-bushy plants called herbs. Non-bushy means it will not spread. Okay, they are smaller than the shrubs. I said shrubs will spread more. Okay, it has a many branches. Then it is a bushy plant. But herbs are non-bushy plants. Keep in mind, they are smaller than the shrubs. Compared to shrubs, these branches are less. Okay, they have soft, thin, and weak stems. But shrubs having strong stems, herbs will be having weak and thin stems. You can observe, I have shown in a picture few examples. Grass you have seen the very less thin stem, correct? Grass, easily you can pick it out, correct? Pluck it out. Grass, tomato, tulsi you can observe. I tulsi you might have observed in front of everybody's home it will be no tulsi, mint also have very thin stem. It will not spread more. Okay, branches will be less only. Wheat, this corn, tomato, potato, chili. These are the small plants with the less branches. Okay, with a thin stem. These we will call herbs. Let us see climbers. The name itself it will say climbers, climbing up. Correct, climbing. Climbers. Climbers have a weak stems. Then they cannot stand on their own. They need a support. Okay. Without a support, climbers cannot be. Okay. It cannot grow. Okay. They need a support. Either it will grow on a plant, otherwise it needs some other support. Okay. They climb on their plant or on other support. Some examples, I think you all have seen a money plant, correct? Money plant, for that we will put a small thread and that it will grow, correct? For the support we will put a thread. On the thread it will start grow. Then grapes also it uses a support. Then bean, peas, these are the some examples I have given. You can observe in the picture. See money plant with the help of stick it is growing. Then some other grapes also with the help of stick. Then peas. See you can observe with the help of other plant or some support these plants will grow. Then water plants. Water plants, name itself it will say these plants will grow in a water. The plants which grows in a water are called water plants. They have a soft stem. Why? Because they need to adjust with the water. They have a very soft stem. Example, you all know the lotus. Where it will grow? It will grow in the water, right? The lotus is the best example for the water plants. Okay. Remaining we will see in the next class, children. Thank you.